I just wanted to make a quick video to help you walk through the assignment of creating or curating a collection of artwork for yourself. This week, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be going to the Dallas Museum of Art virtually. We're going to go on like a little road trip, and you're going to choose one work of art and you're going to add it to a collection that is about a theme that you're interested in. So what you'll do is you'll go to the Dallas Museum of Art website, which is dma.org. I provided a link for you. Go to Art. Under Collections, you'll be taken to a really well organized website that will show you pretty much all of their collection, which is, I really think it's sitting somewhere around 72,000 objects. Inside of this page, you'll see that they have taken and they've broken up their collection into some pretty interesting collections. So each collection, like let's say you're into the idea of tools, right? Inside of that, you can go in and they have these tiny little, this is a little annoying, I wish they were a little bit bigger, but they have just a collection of all the tools. And then you would click on it and find out that this is a dagger. On the right side, you'll see all of the information that they have about this dagger. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll pop around, explore, enjoy. You can even use the search function if you have a specific thing that you want to look up. What I've done is I've decided that my son's Chinese name is Lao Shi, which means little tiger. He's half Asian, and so I decided it would be fun to create a collection of works that were about the idea of a tiger. So I just decided and I went with it. So I found this one right here. This is the start of my collection because this tiger's face is always funny to me, a little fat tiger. Okay, what I've provided for you is a PowerPoint, or excuse me, a Google slide that you guys are going to save to your drive, and you're going to be adding one slide a week to this. It's called the Collection Project, and the first slide, what you'll do is you'll put in the title of the exhibition, your name, and explain the concept. My example is in blue. My title is called Little Tiger. My concept is my son's name is Little Tiger in Mandarin, and I've created a collection of artworks that involve tigers and lions in some way. I might cut the lions at the very end, but what I'm asking you to curate or collect from the internet is an image, the title, the year, the artist, maker, or origin. Sometimes it'll be mixed depending on your item, the general size, the technique, the genre, media, and any other information that you want to collect. So here's my example in blue. And I don't know why it saved like this, but I've screenshotted the image or dragged and dropped, and I've added the images to the slide. The title was called Tiger. The year it was created, all I could find was it was made after 1792. Artist, found that information out. The size, technique, genre. Genre means like what does it fit under? So this is a scroll, or I could call this a drawing or possibly a painting depending on what I wanted to do. Maybe I'll put in all those things. Media is ink on paper, and then any other information that you want to collect. On this website, on the DMA website, there's a pretty good amount of information that's really readable. It's not overly complicated about each individual thing. And honest to goodness, you could spend hours on this website just following. Maybe you just really get into Japanese scrolls. You can go and look at all the Japanese scrolls. Maybe you want to see works that involve the concept of Zen. You can click on this and all day and be involved in works that promote or somehow create the idea of Zen. All I'm asking you to do is to find one image that goes along with your theme. Your theme might change and alter as we go on, but we're just starting off with this. Okay, if you have any questions or comments or concerns,